Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Choosing the right dual action polisher can completely change your detailing results. The right polisher affects everything: how fast you work, how clean the finish is, and how comfortable the process feels. Today we're counting down the top 5 dual action and forced rotation polishers. These are some of the most respected tools in the detailing world, and each one fits a different style of detailing. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 5. Max Shine M8 SV2. The Max Shine is a compact dual-action polisher built for precision work. With its 8mm throw, this machine is perfect for tight areas like bumpers, mirrors, pillars, door handles, and complex body shapes where larger polishers struggle. It's lightweight, easy to control, and very smooth for its price range. Vibration levels are low, and the balance is impressive for a small machine. This polisher is not designed for heavy correction on large panels, but that's not its purpose. Instead, it shines as a secondary machine in a professional setup or as a main polisher for enthusiasts working on smaller vehicles. If you're looking for accuracy, comfort, and excellent value, the M8S V2 is a solid choice. Number 4. MaxShine M15 Pro. Next up is the MaxShine M15 Pro, a 15mm long-throw dual-action polisher that delivers strong performance at a very competitive price. This machine offers a great balance between correction power and finishing ability. The 15mm throw allows you to cover panels quickly while still maintaining good control and stability. The M15 Pro features solid ergonomics, decent torque, and smooth operation, especially considering its price point. It's a great option for enthusiasts who want professional-level results without spending premium brand money. It's also well-suited for professional use. The performance-to-price ratio is excellent. Number 3. Rupees Bigfoot LHR21 Mark V. The Rupees Bigfoot LHR21 Mark V is all about speed and finishing quality. With a massive 21mm throw, this polisher is designed to correct large panels quickly and efficiently. It excels on hoods, roofs, doors, and wide flat surfaces. Rupes is known for smoothness, and the Mark V continues that tradition with extremely low vibration and excellent balance. This machine is not intended for tight or complex areas. It's a large tool that demands space. But when used correctly, it delivers fast correction with outstanding finishing results. For professionals who focus on efficiency and paint perfection, the LHR21 Mark V is a top-tier free-spinning DA. Number 2. Flex XCE 108125. Now we move into the forced rotation category. The Flex X CE 108125 is a gear-driven dual-action polisher that combines strong cutting power with consistent pad rotation. Unlike free-spinning DA machines, this polisher will not stall under pressure. That makes it extremely effective on hard paint, neglected surfaces, and heavy correction jobs. It features an 8mm forced rotation orbit, controlled correction with impressive torque. While it's heavier and more aggressive than standard DA machines, it offers incredible versatility. You can cut hard, finish well, and work confidently without worrying about pad stall. This is a true professional tool built for demanding users. Number 1. Rupees LK 900E Meaty. At the top of the list is the Rupees LK 900E Meaty, a forced rotation dual-action polisher designed for maximum correction. The mill delivers constant pad rotation combined with Rupes' legendary smoothness. It cuts extremely well, even on hard clear coats, while still maintaining excellent control and stability. Compared to other forced rotation machines, the mill feels more refined and balanced, with reduced vibration and better ergonomics. This polisher is ideal for professionals. It's not the cheapest option, but in terms of performance, durability, and overall user experience, the Milla stands at the top. There is no single best polisher for everyone. Small throw machines like the M8S V2 excel in precision work. Long throw free spinning polishers like the M15 Pro and LHR21 Mark by are perfect for efficiency and finishing. And gear-driven machines like the Flex XCE and Roops Milli deliver unmatched correction power and consistency. The best choice depends on your experience level, the type of work you do, and the results you want to achieve. If you build the right combination, you'll be ready for any paint correction job. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more detailing content. Let us know in the comments which polisher you're using and which one you'd like to try next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.